Hi everyone! Welcome back to Fire TV Expert. If you've been looking for an easy way to get CinePlus on your Fire Stick, then today's video is definitely for you. I'll walk you through the complete installation process using the latest downloader code, and I'll make sure we go through each step so you can follow along without getting confused. CinePlus is designed with a simple interface for browsing movies and TV shows, and it can be installed on Fire Stick and other Android TV devices. Later in the video, I'll also go over some of CinePlus's standout features and explain why I won't be opening the app fully during this tutorial due to YouTube policy guidelines and to help avoid potential strikes on the channel. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. From your Fire Stick home screen, move to the top and select the Find option. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type Downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your Fire Stick remote supports voice search, simply press the microphone button and say Downloader, and it should appear in the search results. Once you see Downloader, move to the right and select it. Now click on the orange downloader icon and press the download button. Wait a few moments while Downloader installs on your Fire Stick. After Downloader has finished installing, we need to make one quick change in the settings so your Fire Stick can install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen. Move to the left and select the settings bar. Scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll right and select My Fire TV. Next, open Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry, this is completely normal on some Fire TV devices. Simply open About, highlight your Fire Stick device name, and press the center button on your remote 7 times until you see a message confirming that Developer Options have been enabled. Now go back, open Developer Options, and select Install Unknown Apps. If you're using a Fire Stick 4K Max or a newer Fire TV device, the menu layout may look slightly different. In that case, just make sure permission is enabled for the Downloader app. Once that's done, your Fire Stick is ready. Now let's open Downloader. Go back to the home screen. Scroll down and find Downloader, then open it. When you launch it for the first time, allow the required permissions and click OK. Before we install CinePlus, let me quickly tell you why this app has caught the attention of Fire Stick users. CinePlus features a clean and user-friendly interface with categories for movies and TV shows, a search function for finding specific titles, subtitle support, and compatibility with external media players. It's also designed to be lightweight and easy to navigate on a TV screen. Now we're ready for the installation. Enter the latest working CinePlus downloader code exactly as shown on your screen. 993-3450. Once you've entered the code, click Go. The CinePlus download page will now load on your Fire Stick. Once the page has loaded, follow the download option shown on the page and wait while the APK downloads. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few moments. When the installation window appears, click Install. Wait while CinePlus finishes installing. Once it's complete, click Done. To save storage space on your Fire Stick, click Delete, then confirm Delete one more time to remove the APK file. Before opening the app, there's one recommendation I'd like to make. Whenever you're using third-party apps, it's always a good idea to use a VPN. A VPN helps protect your online privacy, keeps your internet connection secure, and can also help if certain apps or content aren't available in your region. I personally recommend NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works really well on Fire Stick devices. If you'd like to install it, simply return to the search option, search for NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. After signing in, connect to a server before using third-party apps. You'll find the NordVPN link in the video description. If you'd like to check it out, now let's take a quick look at CinePlus. Go back to the home screen. Scroll down and find CinePlus in your installed apps. Now, I won't be opening the app fully in this video because of YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes on the channel. However, I can still give you a quick overview of what you can expect. CinePlus offers a clean and modern interface that's simple to navigate with a Fire Stick remote. The app includes organized sections for movies and TV shows, a search feature for quickly finding titles, subtitle support, and the option to use external media players. The lightweight design makes it easy to browse through the available sections, while the TV-friendly interface keeps navigation simple on a larger screen. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully installed CinePlus on your FireStick. I hope this guide made the installation process easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fire TV Expert, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest FireStick tutorials, app guides, and helpful streaming tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.